India today crossed the 100 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses mark. India's COVID-19 vaccination drive commenced on January 16, 2021. Last month, the centre administered over 2.5 crore doses in a day to celebrate Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 71st birthday. On an estimated 20% of the country's 1.4 billion people have received both doses. India registered 18,454 new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, 26.2% higher than yesterday. As many as 160 deaths were reported in the country in the last 24 hours, increasing the total death count to 4,52,811. With fresh cases, the country's overall caseload has now mounted to 3,41,27,450, while the active caseload stood at 1,78,831. The COVID pandemic will easily drag on deep into 2022 because poorer countries are not getting the vaccines they need. Dr. Bruce Aylward, senior leader at the World Health Organization, has said, "I can tell you we are not on track," Aylward further said. Less than 5% of Africa's population has been vaccinated compared to 40% on most other continents. Union Cabinet today approved the implementation of the Rs 100 lakh crore Prime Minister Gati Shakti National Master Plan for multimodal connectivity to economic zones. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had launched the plan on October 13th. Prime Minister Gati Shakti NMP, which will be monitored in a three-tier system, will bring in more holistic and integrated planning and execution of projects, the government said. As many as 54 people have died so far amid heavy rainfall in Uttarakhand, ANI reported. Notably, 19 people have been injured and 5 are missing due to rain-related incidents. As many as 45 people died on October 19th, with 28 alone in the Nainital district. On October 18th, 8 people died, with Pauri Garhwal district reporting 3 deaths. Pakistan's opposition parties have accused Prime Minister Imran Khan of selling gifts he received from other countries' heads, including a watch. It is being alleged that the watch was sold in Dubai by Khan's close aide and $1 million was given to the Prime Minister. How can a person be insensitive, deaf, dumb and blind? Opposition leader Maryam Nawaz asked. Japan's largest volcano, Mount Aso, erupted on the Kyushu island on Wednesday. Japan Meteorological Agency said the 1,592-meter volcano sent plumes of ash 3.5 kilometers into the sky when it erupted at about 11:43 a.m. local time. It has raised the alert level for the volcano to level 3 on a scale of 5, warning people to avoid venturing near the mountain.